Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to blur background on a video in CapCut. So let's continue into CapCut. Next, tap on a new project and select the video you want to blur, and then tap on add. Now the first step is to blur this video. So do this, you want to tap on effects and then you want to tap on video effects. Now here you wanna select lens, and then if you scroll down you will see your blur effects. Here it is, and go ahead and select it. This will now blur the video. Now make sure that blur effect is extended all the way throughout with your clip. So blur the whole video. Next step on export, and export this video in high quality. Now once I have exported, tap on new project again and then tap the blur video which you created. This will now add it to the clip. Then you want to tap on overlay. Tap on add overlay. Now select the clean video. And after that, find cutout and tap on it. Then tap on remove background. So guys, you can see this will started removing the background in the clip. Then tap on the tick and let that process finish. Now once that process is finished, you will see this rectangle outline here. You want to use your finger and zoom in. And now if you press play, as you can see, the background has been blurred while the subject is in focus. And that's how you can blur a background on a video in CapCut. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.